Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, July 14th, 2025, we're analyzing Google stock, considering both recent news and technical chart data. Google's been busy. They invested $2.4 billion in AI coding startup Windsurf. This is a move to bolster their DeepMind division with AI coding talent. We're also watching news around potential tariffs President Trump is planning on EU and Mexico, as tariffs impact economic forecasts, and this definitely affects investors. There is news of a potential DOJ breakup, where the Department of Justice is asking that Alphabet sell Chrome, and this would cause Google to experience turbulence. Let's jump into the daily chart. Zooming out, we see Google has experienced quite a bit of volatility over the past year, with several significant swings. We can see some periods of consolidation followed by breakouts. Note how the market reacted from $140 to around $175 within a short period in March and April of 2024. Highs of $175 met resistance, as it couldn't stay above this price for long. The daily chart from late April to early August shows Google dipping from $175 to as low as $155, and then a long-term climb to $165 over a long period of time. Notice the decline in early May, as if there's a pattern, before the stock rallies to new heights. From around October 2024, it's been generally bullish, and there was a major jump in December from 180 to 200. However, it then immediately dropped back down to around 190 shortly after. Then we see the largest dip in recent history around February 5, 2025, where it dropped from 205 to 190, and then immediately tanked even further a few days later to around 185. This could be related to a Federal Reserve announcement or major macro event. I'd be bearish here, expecting it to drop to around 170. I'd say there's a 60% chance that Google may fall that low in the next 30 days. On March 7th, Google was around 174, but there was a heavy crash on the 18th to as low as 157. After that, it stabilized and gradually climbed. The climb peaks around April 24th, where it hit near 167, but then quickly dipped back down. From May, we see a period of turbulent market activity. From here, it looks likely to recover up to 175 if it can break through the resistance. I give that a 60% chance that it does so in the next 60 days, given general market conditions. However, it could also fall further if it breaks past the support line. In June, we saw peaks near 179, but they were followed by significant drops. Most recently in July, we see the price hit around 181, but now as of today, July 14th, it's back to 177. This looks like the start of a bearish trend. Let's switch over to the 1-hour chart to get a better feel. Okay, looking at the 1-hour chart for the last few days. There is clear resistance at 181.4 and 178 appears to be support. If it breaks past 178, then the next level of support would be near the 174 range. If the price breaks 181, it can likely sustain a bullish pattern to around 185. I give this scenario a 30% chance of happening. In summary, Google faces near-term bearish pressures based on recent trading patterns. The Windsurf deal and AI coding tech will provide long-term benefits, but is not showing immediate impact. For near-term trading, monitor 178 as a key support level and 181 as a key resistance. Good luck, and thanks for watching.